The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. That's perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. In part A, we want to solve this formula for W. So rewriting our equation, P is equal to 2L plus 2W. We want to isolate W and get that on one side by itself. So let's start by subtracting 2L from both sides, canceling it off the right, moving it to the left in the form of P minus 2L. These terms are not alike, so we can't combine them. Continuing to solve for W, let's divide both sides by 2 so that it cancels from the right. And we have W is equal to P minus 2L over 2. I'm going to write that with the W on the left. W is equal to P minus 2L quantity, or that entire expression, over 2. Now in part B, if P is equal to 116 and L is equal to 40, find the value of W. So let's use this form that we have from part A. W is equal to P minus 2L over 2. And let's substitute the given values. If P is equal to 116 and L is equal to 40, now let's evaluate. In the numerator, that's 116 minus 80, all divided by 2. 116 minus 80 is 36, and 36 divided by 2 is 18 units. The width in part B is 18.